halfway through, I'm like, I want to stand up and I want to sit down. So, all right.
Now, what do you want to get into now?
Have you guys seen our music video by any chance?
Yes.
Yeah?
What do you think of it?
Should we do Thrill and Back?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do Thrill and Back. You're gonna have to talk to me, but it can't get off beat. That's just gonna throw it off.
Seems like you know exactly who you want to be, but baby, I came to the symphony. I know it sounds a little crazy, but you know, and I know, but that's just how I make some clothes.